Hey, it's Lou from BlinkBid, and this next video is all about how to put your logo on all your documents so everybody can see that the bid came from you. And there's all this stuff in there too that I think you'll really like about settings, stuff like that.
Hi, and welcome to BlinkBid. In this video, we are going to discuss how to add your logo, bank information, and terms and conditions in the settings section. To upload your logo, go to your dashboard and choose Manage Personalities. Click on a specific personality without a logo signature and click Choose File. Find the file on your computer, upload the image, and press Save. You can customize the size and position of your logo in your settings by going to Document Appearance, Layout, and then Options. You can input bank account information by going to Settings, Financials, then Bank Accounts. You can add several bank accounts here and name them. When you go to print the job, you can choose which set of bank information to include on your document. You can save multiple sets of T&Cs in one personality under Settings and then Terms and Conditions. Add the text into the field, tag it with a name, and save it. When you go to print your document, choose which T&C you would like to include.